What's up YouTube, it's Ben, and I'm here to tell you why you need to lose money in order to make a lot of money.
What?
All right, so when you start a recruiting agency, your goal is generally to scale to 7 figures. At least I really hope that's your goal because it should be.
Yup!
Now, before I make my point here, I want to be sure that you're already in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description of this video, where we talk a whole lot about this kind of stuff and amongst 12,000 other recruiters. So definitely join the group, link in description. All right, so let me break the news to you. To get to 7 figures, or even to get to $500,000 a year, you need to lose some revenue. And here's why. When you are solo, when you start a recruiting agency solo, you can make $100,000 or even $300,000 really quickly, sometimes within a matter of 4 to 6 months. And we see this all the time in our mentorship programs. However, when it comes time to cross that threshold and get to $500,000 or 7 figures or multi-7 figures, you cannot do that alone. 99% of people cannot do that solo. Now, you've probably already heard the saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
Okay.
Hitting the 7-figure mark or multi-7-figure mark would be the far in this analogy. You've also probably heard that if you smash the like button on this video, I'll just be really thankful for that. Much appreciated. All right, so check it out. When you're at 300K or when you're at 500K and you want to get to $1 million or multi-7 figures, it just becomes time prohibitive for you to actually accomplish that goal. There's only so many hours in the day, which is fine because if you follow me to the end here, I have the solution for you, and it's just something that you have to be okay with. At this critical pivot point of when you're at 500K and you want to go to $1 million, you need to invest in your operation.
Oh, cool, go, no doubt.
And when I say invest, I'm talking about like high quality software, like data tools. I'm talking about actual recruiters that work right alongside you, that do exactly what you do, like duplicating yourself and amplifying your operation entirely all around. Now, you just have to understand that doing these things, making these investments to actually go higher, is going to dump your bottom line. It's going to weigh your bottom line down. And being frank, it should dump your bottom line. It should dump your bottom line quite a bit, because the more it actually does, the better you're going to be in the long run. Follow me here, I'm going somewhere with this. So when you bring on like 2 brand new recruiters, like really good recruiters, you need to pay those recruiters good money to help you scale your revenue and raise up your game. Now, the dip in that revenue that you see by paying 2 other people to basically 2x duplicate yourself is gonna be pretty huge, and it's not something that you're really gonna like. It's not gonna be pretty on your balance sheet. However, the actual jump and spike in revenue overall for your business is gonna show you that over an incremental period of time, you are making more money as a business holistically by bringing on 2 more people that are actually duplicating yourself and helping your operation grow. Now let's say that you need to duplicate that process one more time, because now you're at 650K, but you absolutely want to hit that 7-figure mark or even multi-7-figure mark, 1.5, whatever it is, but you've got to do it again, meaning you have to hire another 2 recruiters to handle this workload. Well, the same exact thing is going to happen again, and your revenue is going to take a dip once again. This time it might be even a bigger dip, considering at this point you're paying 4 extra people, including yourself, which is going to basically take you away down to a spot where you really don't like to see on, again, your balance sheet, your P&L. All right, so here's the big secret at the end. Here's the big reveal. You will get to 7 figures or whatever your goal number is. You just have to be okay with going down to 0, maybe multiple times, before you actually get there. 99% of people will never make it to that 7-figure mark or multi-7 or whatever the goal is because they're too afraid to go to 0. Don't ever be afraid to lose money to make a whole lot more money. If you found this video valuable, hey, go ahead and smash that like button. Be sure you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description of this video, and I will see you next time.